There's a large segment of the community that can't walk into a bank and get a loan. They hear the horror stories, and they don't want to be a failure.
Whether you don't make a lot of money or whether you're someone who's never had access to affordable mortgage credit, we want to serve you.
Homeownership, to me, is sort of a huge catalyst in driving wealth, generational wealth, providing stability, security, safety, health. That's what community lending does for all.
It's easy to think that a bank of our size can reach everybody. We can't. What groups like CHN do is they're really good at serving a particular community.
Organizations like CHN help that segment of the community that need it the most. They need education. They need someone that cares, that they succeed.
And so because of that trust that they have in us, we're able to build out additional programs, like our Believe Mortgage last year that we were able to do with Huntington.
It's dealing with folks in a gray area. They're not quite ready for traditional financing, but they're not a bad credit risk.
So I was renting just like anybody else, and my landlord called and told me that the owners wanted to sell the house. And me and my kids had a month to leave. A lot of people probably didn't think I would buy a house at all, especially being young with 2 children.
You have to take into consideration what they've been through, what their lifestyle is.
Denise offered down payment assistance and offered grants to help me purchase the home.
Education is critical when you're talking to potential homeowners because many of them have been renting most of their lives.
Working with the processor, working with me, answering underwriting questions. I think they grow in the process, and it's a sense of accomplishment.
When I actually purchased the house, when I walked in, I was like, this is ours.
Everyone deserves to have a roof over their head, a place to call home, a safe place to raise their family, a community they're proud of.
If we're honest and true about making a social impact in our communities, community lending will be the way. Access to capital has to be the way.
It has always been about helping anybody that needs help to become a homeowner and to get through this process successfully.
So no matter if it is a low to moderate income community or an affluent community, we're dedicating time and resources to them to be able to make sure that everybody has the same opportunity.